Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you today this thrifted versus styled fall kitchen styling. I use all thrifted items that I've shared previously and also a few new finds. The mix of textures are breathtaking. So get cozy as I share some early fall decorating ideas. So let's have some fun. I'm going to share with you how I'm going to style the top of my pantry in my kitchen. So I'm going to be using all sorts of items that I shared with you in my last video. Everything is thrifted and we're going to style it. So let's just start out here. This beautiful platter, I'm hoping to use this as a backdrop. I've shared this a few videos ago. I love mixing the copper with the blue. I think that's such a gorgeous look together. So this is kind of like a pre-fall video. And I'm also going to include all different types of textures, like some wood, like obviously, like, china and copper and brass and things like that. So I found this picture the other day and I just put a plastic bag inside so it doesn't get dirty inside. So this is a great idea of what to do and so it doesn't collect all kinds of, dust, dirt, etc. So I just stuffed that with there and I found this gorgeous picture. I got it for $4.99 if I remember correctly. You've seen this gorgeous soup tureen. There was those beautiful, wonderful hydrangeas. I just love those colors, just so pretty. There's the books, the little copper pieces. I'm certainly going to add that. In the back here, you also see the beautiful amber glass bottles. There's those gorgeous containers with the copper and brass lids. I'm going to use a couple of these little baskets. And I also found on Monday, if you can believe it, this soup tureen. I love this one. It has its own plate and the design is really pretty. And unfortunately, this one didn't have a lid, which was fine because I was looking for something that I can use on top and then just decorate inside. It also has really nice handles. There's nothing wrong with it except it doesn't have the lid, which is fine. And I'm just going to add those gorgeous mashers that I got for my birthday. I also forgot to mention that I found this kind of chicken wire basket. I'm not sure what it was for, but I'm going to use that also just for some different types of texture in the backdrop of this for the pantry styling. So I just have everything here sitting on my kitchen table and I'm going to grab my ladder and we're going to get decorating. So if you're wondering what this I guess hanger is. It's actually, I got it from Michael's a couple of years ago in their office section. They always have these beautiful kind of racks for the office. And I've been looking for a long time to find something for this narrow pantry. And I just stumbled upon this and it fit perfectly. I know they have some still now, but they're kind of a more of a brushed gold color, but you can certainly paint it. But I thought this works perfectly, and I love to decorate this seasonally, so I will change, the greenery here for some more fall colored uh, leaves and things like that. So this is just a combination of all kinds of pretty, kitchen things, like the little salt and pepper shaker there. There's just a little grapevine wreath I have in there. There's some little kitchen items. I have one of my beautiful brown plates in the background there. This is a thrifted little rolling pan. There's a couple little items, wood items like little scoops. So I just added all kinds of little fun things kitchen-wise. Here's a couple of little things. I think I've showed this before in a video. It's just a combination of, wood scoops, and there's a gorgeous set of copper measuring spoons. All right, so this is the top of the pantry that I want to decorate. There's such a big gap here, so I just want to fill it up. Otherwise, it looks pretty empty. I always decorate the top of my cabinets, even at Christmas time. But there's my fridge, and you can see that gorgeous arrangement there for the summer. And there's my coffee bar right there. So this is where we are in the kitchen. I just added some paper up here and to help with dust and dirt and stuff like that. So let's get styling for this area here. All right, so I think I'm going to use the tureens first, like place the big items first. So I'm going to put this probably on the left-hand side, this one here, and I'm going to put this tureen on the other side to balance that beautiful, creamy white color. I'm going to use these books as a riser and on the left side, I think, and then I'm going to use this one on the other side. Because I do not like everything at one level. I like dips and hills and everything like that. So I'm going to do this off camera because I need two hands because I will be climbing a ladder. All right, sorry about the lighting. I only have so much light in the kitchen and there's not enough sunlight to show. So I hope you guys can see this properly. So here are the three books, and I'm using the ones with the darker, like more, winter, fall coloring for the books. So I'm going to put those first, and then I'm going to put the tureen on top of there. All right, so here's the tureen. I think the coloring of these books go really well with this. I'm leaving the mashers in there to bring some more texture. I hope you're seeing that great with the lighting. There we go. And I'm probably going to put like a basket or something in behind there. But there's the first step for the rest of this long pantry. So I thought I'd just show you this. It was kind of covered, but it's like a little shelving unit. It's so pretty. You can hang it or stand it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the back of it. So it's kind of multi-purpose. And so I have a nice base and to raise things up on that shelf. And if I remember correctly, I think I got it for like $3.99, something silly like that. But a great little solid piece for a riser. Okay, so I just placed this little bookshelf upside down so I have a nice base to work with. And I put a little basket in behind for some texture. So I think I'm going to put the other soup tureen over here. And I'll just do that off camera because I need two hands. All right, so there's a soup tureen, and then I added two of those canisters. I'm going to put the small one in front. And I'm going to put something in here, I think. But so far, I think that's built up nicely to balance the other side. All right, so back on the other side, I'm just using an old sign and some little pieces of wood because I want to add this beautiful picture, and I want it a little higher. And I wanted something heavy because I want to put that big plate in the middle. But from down below, you don't see this, and that works perfectly. Whoops, gotta hide the bag. But yeah, so there I have the balance of the white there, which looks really, really nice. And then just slowly over here, I'm building up this side as well. Okay, so I added this beautiful platter. Here's that gorgeous blue. And it is so large. As you can see, there's no space between the ceiling and the plate. I was going to use a stand, but it wouldn't fit. So it's propped up there pretty good. And I think maybe I'm going to add some kind of like a command strip or something behind just in case so it won't slide off. So moving forward, I just added this beautiful chicken wire little basket in front. So you can't see the plate as well, but you still can catch the blue. Let me know if I should keep that basket there or not. And then I'm going to add this sweet little, I don't know what you call this little, another little basket. I thrifted this. It has some little ducks there. I don't know. I think I got it for like $2.99 or something. But I thought it was a nice little basket to add in front. And I think I'm going to add all those gorgeous brown glass, amber glass bottles in there. All right, so I added the bottles here, and I think these ones here are sitting a little low. So I'm just going to use some of those little risers that I got from the dollar store. I just got those in the craft section. So they're nice little pieces that you can hide underneath. Okay, so you can see that, trying to get a shot for you, that I just put those in there. And I'm just going to put the little one in front Just set it on there, and that looks so much better. That way, especially when you're on the floor, you can actually see those gorgeous amber bottles. All right, so this is what I have, what I'm working with. And now I want to add some of that copper to bring in those fall vibes. I think I forgot to show this in the haul, but this is like a, I believe, a sock darner or a masher too. It's just a smaller one. And I love the texture on it. It's really, really nice. And I think I'm going to just put that over here just to add some more like wood and warmness on this side of the pantry. So now I want to add some copper. So I have this little space here and I have those sweet little creamer and sugar. So this one, it fits perfectly there. So I like that the handle just kind of goes here. And then I'm going to use and put the other one on top. That way it sits, you know, nicely nestled in that little spot there. Okay, so these really nice salt and pepper shakers fit perfectly in here. I love how it brings that beautiful fall cozy warmth, and nestled in here is just, the vibes are perfect. Definitely a fall. Let me know what you think about bringing this copper in to this, you know, a large vignette in my kitchen. I am absolutely loving this copper touch. So this last piece, I think, fits beautifully with this soup tureen. So I just have that sitting right there, bring a little more copper in. Oh, I just love this. So the way this is decorated, you can use this seasonally for any time of year. And then you can add in different elements for each season: Christmas, spring, winter, summer, and certainly fall. So this is just basically a pre-fall decorate with me using all thrifted items. Yes, everything is thrifted here, and I'm really, really happy with that. So I think when the fall comes along, I'm going to add some more floral and add some leaves and things like that just to bring that out. Okay, so here's an overview of the top of my pantry. I'm pretty happy with everything here. I realized that I need something probably more copper on this side here. Maybe even possibly something here. I know there's copper on those, but it's not really, you know, showing like this here. So I'll keep you updated if I find anything for that. Let me know what your favorite is. And if there should be something I should add besides the copper on the end, or if I should take anything away. So where I last left you, I was kind of finished the top of my kitchen pantry. And I was looking for some more copper to add on the right-hand side. So I didn't expect to go thrifting today, and I'm glad I did. I found two of these beautiful copper mugs. They were $2.99 each. Beautiful brass handle, quite a big, I guess they call these mules, I believe. This one's in they're really good condition. There's the brand name on the bottom. I just took off the stickers and I wish I didn't. It just made a big sticky mess. So I'll clean that later. But for this video, I just wanted to, you know, get it all decorated nicely for you. Also, as you can see, right near this thrift store is a Michael's. And again, I thought I'd just pop my nose in and I found these gorgeous florals. Again, I know I said I was going to decorate later, but finding these inspired me to, you know, add some florals to the top of my pantry. So I found these. Aren't they gorgeous? They kind of have a bit of a green, kind of a bit of a, I want to say rusty brown color. I love them. So these are three little picks in one little bundle. And I thought the price was fantastic. $2.99 for us in Canada. And these were buy one, get one free. So as you can see, I loaded up on these because I think these are going to go really, really far. And then I also found these beautiful leaves. They were the same area. So there was 4 different colors. So I picked this one. I thought it was just pretty. I even loved kind of the gray tips there on these maple leaves. So kind of a golden, rusty brown color. These ones were the same price, 2.99 here in Canada, and it was buy one get one free also. So these go far. Again, 3 little stems there, and this one has quite a bit on it. So I'm gonna incorporate, I think these ones here on the top of the pantry. All right, so I'm up on my trusty ladder again. And like I said, I wanted to add some copper down at this end of the pantry. So I kept those there and I also moved those there. So it just brings more of the copper to this area here, which is fantastic. I really, really love that. So to make room for those big copper mules on the right-hand side, I had to move one of my little canisters here. I think it looks cute there. It kind of fills it in. And of course, having those 2 salt and pepper shakers there. So that's part of the change I made to incorporate those really large mugs there. Okay, so I'm going to put some of that floral in here, and I did decide to go with this one here. Again, the beautiful colors. I love how it plays against the copper. So, so pretty and complementary. So I like these little bushes or stems, you can call them, and they just fit in nicely, and you don't have to bend anything, and it just makes it easier to work with. Okay, so I just needed 2 hands to manipulate that a little bit, but oh, wow. Tell me what you think, if this was the right choice, but I think that just looks beautiful off the terrain and this and with the copper. Just gorgeous and certainly fabulous fall vibes. Okay, so the next one I'm going to stick in is right through here. And just gotta manipulate it a little bit because I'm doing this with one hand. And, but again, off that wood, these are like just perfect. I really, really love the color combination. And let's just move on to the next one. Wow, wow, wow. This little stem is just fantastic. I highly recommend going to Michael's and finding these. I just love them. The color combination is just stunning. The way it goes with all this, what can I say? It has certainly inspired me to decorate more for fall, even though it's like 32 degrees here right now and I am just boiling with the AC on. So this is just gorgeous. I am so happy about how this turned out. You can see my reflection there. I am standing on a ladder and melting. But let me know what you think of this. With the addition of these extra floral and these extra mugs, I am so happy. I hope this also finds some inspiration for you just to add something so neutral like this and the copper mixed with, these gorgeous woods and the tureens, like this beautiful old ironstone, the brown bottles. It certainly gives me a fall vibes. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. This is something new I'm trying, thrifted versus styled. And this was really fun. I had a great time. I hope you did too. So don't forget to subscribe as I have lots of fall content coming your way. And hope everybody had a great week. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.